eat it.
Alright, Fish Head 101.
You turn it over. Ta-da!
Oh, I just rolled the eye.
So this is the gills. You don't eat that, but some people do.
Don't put it on my. Okay.
And then that's the eye. That's the muscle of the eye. You can eat that.
Oh my gosh, my food's turning horrible now.
And then you remove the eye.
I take back not throwing up.
So that's the eye.
That looks cute. We're waiting on you.
Don't look at me, I'm not eating it.
And you put it in your rice. There's the eye.
Ooh, yeah,
And?
that's
There you remove the that hard thingy around it.
pupil.
Yep. No. I don't know what you call this one, but
Oh.
can you put this back here?
I take
I'm not done. What?
I take back not throwing up.
And there you go. And it has something in it still. Can easily use my hand.
Why are you not using your hand now? And there goes that fish eye. Okay, so we got our own little fear factor going
now
on
the
in our
brain.
house. You gonna eat the brain?
Now, this is how you do it because the brain is like, it has the bone. So what you do is, look at that. It separates easily, like that. And then this is like the bone going to the brain. Hold on, let's clean it. Ooh, look at that. Fish. Of course, that's good. Ooh, that's good.
Oh my gosh,
And then this one right here, it separates. There you go. Now this is like the eyes, what do you call this? Fat. Now that's really, really tasty. So you put it in here. Now the brain is here. There you go.
can I see? Just do it with your hands.
Ta-da! Well, the fish doesn't have a brain. There you go. That's the brain. Small
Oh
little
my
one
gosh,
right there.
that's small.
So you want some fish brain?
No!
How about some fish eyes?
No, thank you.
How about that other little gooey thing that tastes good?
Here it is. I'm getting ready to eat it.
Oh, I'm dizzy.
I think I'm gonna start dating white girls again.
That's done.
Alright, there we go.
Put that on YouTube and say, my girl knows how to eat fish heads. Ha!